Welcome to our brand new tag collection, but it's so much more than a little tag collection. It makes the most beautiful projects. So you're going to get this huge collection of beautiful nesting dies. Now we're calling this the Christmas tag collection. It's so much more. I mean, I'm looking at this now and I'm thinking, stick a bride and groom inside there. You've got that beautiful pagoda going on there. You've got all these dies that are going to give you loads and loads of versatility, from all those to all those ones there. And the only thing that dictates that it's Christmas is the winter wishes and snowflake kisses down the bottom there. So that is your large set of nesting dies. You've then got two tag collections, and I have to say these are so up my street. Now look at all these different components. You can make the little pockets, you've got the trees, you've got that merry and bright in there, but look how we've got all the individual tags. Memory books, yeah, tags in there. This little element folds up to give you your pocket, but then you've also got the beautiful little fox, you've got the owl in there as well. So that is your second collection. And then your third collection, it's stags. Yeah, and you know I'm partial to a stag. So we've got the pocket, you've got the beautiful stag there, the Highland stag. You've got Merry Christmas. And you can see you've got all those different components in there. You could use these just as stamping plates as well. But you've got the arc of the tree, and then you've also got the lovely little deer and the foal in there as well. So make sure you join me, because I'm going to share so much inspiration with you.